Okay, so here's how we turned out. Still pretty rough for right now, a lot of grinding needed. I did take a Sharpie and I come around to this other side and drew out some lines. Take it over to the grinder now and clean all this up. Clean the eye up and the cheeks, of course, and clean up the hammer portion back here at the back and rough in some bevels, and then we'll heat treat it. Alright, so here we are right out of the tempering oven. Everything went well on the quench, didn't have any complications, no warping, no cracking, nothing like that. So I'm going to jump on the grinder now and get these bevels finished up and then kind of clean the surface up real good with a wire brush, and then we'll get the handle put in. Alright, so here we are after taking the wire wheel to it on the angle grinder. Turned out pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the handle fit up. The handle I'm using is just a regular old hickory handle that I bought online. So I'm going to get that fitted up and then I'll show you how she turned out. Alright, there's how it turned out. It was a lot of fun to forge one of these again. It's been a while. This was far from perfect, but hey, it'll work out. That being said, I appreciate you checking this video out. Hit that sub button if you would. Ring the notification bell to notify me of this content as it posts. And I'll catch you on the next one. You'll have a good one. Bye-bye.